Did you know some frogs can freeze solid and come back to life? Yep, these little amphibians pull off one of nature's coolest tricks. In winter, certain frogs, like the wood frog, literally freeze, turning into little frog cycles. Their heart stops, their blood turns slushy, and they just wait. It's like pressing pause on life. Then, when the weather warms up, they thaw out, their heart starts beating again, and they hop away like nothing happened. No hospital, no defibrillator, just a casual BRB was frozen. Scientists call it cryptobiosis, but we call it nature's glitch. And frogs are absolutely hacking life. So the next time you're cold, just remember, some frogs are out here surviving as popsicles.